This dish is autumny. It's got beautiful autumn colours, got great textures, great flavours, packed full of flavour. You've got to be a little quick at the end. Try not to overcook the ingredients, but I think you'll get it. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thanks, guys. First, peel potatoes, slice in half, half again, and chop. Add to a roasting pan, followed by a drizzle of olive oil. Add salt and smoked paprika. Mix well, place in the oven, and cook. When cooked, drizzle over some honey, stir well, and put to one side. Next, slice garlic and dice onion. Add olive oil to a pan. Add garlic and onion, now sweat until soft. When soft, transfer to a bowl and put to one side. A great addition to this dish are toasted pistachios. They add great flavour and texture. Add pistachios to a hot pan and toast. Make sure you watch them like an hawk because they will burn. Grab a pestle and mortar, lightly crush and put to one side. Next, add pasta to salted boiling water and cook until al dente. Now this is when the dish comes together. While the pasta is cooking, drizzle olive oil over the shrimp with salt and pepper. Lightly mix, add to a hot pan and cook for about 1 minute. Add garlic and onion. Stir well. Add sweet potatoes, kale, and cook until the kale has wilted. At the end, add pasta. Mix well. Season to taste. And serve. So there you have it, delicious autumn flavours, beautiful dish. I hope you give this a go. Thanks, guys. Rustic, delicious, beautiful. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.